Hey everybody, it's Coach Johnny with Let's Learn Muay Thai. Today I'm at my home gym, X3 Sports in Atlanta, Georgia. Let's go ahead and get started. Whenever you're striking, especially in shadowboxing, make sure you have an idea of range and distance. So from here what I'm doing is I'm punching, making sure my punches go over the cone. That way I know I'm actually hitting my target. Our first drill is learning the lead leg cross step. So what I'm doing here is I'm throwing a couple of strikes, a jab and a cross. Then I'm going to take my lead leg, step off to the side, and create a new angle and follow up. Again, jab cross, lead leg cross step, follow up with a punch combination. Now let's take that lead leg and step to the outside. I'll circle back with my rear leg and then follow up with another punch combination. So from here, I'm going to throw a jab cross. My lead leg steps outside, and then I will circle back with my right leg, following up with a punch combination. From here, we're going to take that lead leg cross step and turn it into a spinning elbow. Boom. And then come right back into my fighting stance. Very good. Now let's move on to our in and out combination. We're learning to come in with some strikes, come back out to evade, and come back in with counters. The combo that we like to use when we're first starting this is throwing the jab, jab cross, then the cross. As you see, I'm coming in and out. In boxing, we call this stick and move. So from here, I'll go 1, 1, 2, 2. Very good. 1, 1, 2, 2. Then you start putting it all together. And then let's try to do anywhere from 3 to 10 rounds, with each round being 3 minutes. As always, thanks for following. Subscribe, do all that good stuff, and make sure you get your butt in the gym. Stay tuned for our next one. We'll see you at X3 Sports.